Hey guys, this is Black. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about Java data types. What are data types in Java? Data types specify the different sizes and values that can be stored in the variable. Data types are fundamental to programming as they define the nature or type of the data that can be stored in variables, passed as parameters, or returned from the methods. Java is a statically typed language, which means that the data type of a variable is known at the compile time. Java has two categories of data types, primitive data types and reference data types. This diagram shows the overall categorization of data type in Java. Let's dive in and look at each of these data types in detail. Let's discuss about different primitive data types in Java. What is a byte data type? Byte is the smallest integer type in Java, occupying 8 bits. It's commonly used when dealing with raw binary data or when memory conservation is critical. Its default value is 0 and it ranges from -128 to 127. In this example, numval1 and numval2 are variables of type byte. What is short data type? Short is a 16-bit signed integer type used when an integer value falls outside the range of a byte data type but still needs to conserve memory compared to an int data type. Its default value is 0 and it ranges from -32,768 to 32,767. In this example, numval1 and numval2 are variables of type short. What is int data type? Int is the most commonly used integer data type in Java, representing a 32-bit signed integer. It's suitable for most integer arithmetic operations. Its default value is 0 and it ranges from -2 to the power 31 to 2 to the power 31 minus 1. In this example, numval1 and numval2 are variables of type int. What is long data type? Long is a 64-bit signed integer type used when dealing with very large numbers that cannot be accommodated within the range of an int data type. Its default value is 0 and it ranges from -2 to the power 63 to 2 to the power 63 minus 1. In this example, numval1 and numval2 are variables of type long. The L at the end of the number is necessary to indicate that the number is a long letter. What is a float data type? Float is a single precision 32-bit floating point type used for decimal values. It's useful when memory conservation is important and precision loss is acceptable. Its default value is 0.0f. In this example, numval is a variable of type float. The suffix f at the end of the number is necessary to indicate that the number is a float literal. What is double data type? Double is a double precision 64-bit floating point type, providing greater precision compared to float data type. It is the default choice for decimal values. Its default value is 0.0d. In this example, numval is a variable of type double. Specifying suffix letter d at the end of the number to indicate double literal is optional for double data type. What is character data type? Char is a 16-bit Unicode character type used to represent individual characters. It can store characters from the Unicode character set, allowing for internationalization and localization. It ranges from 0 to 65,535. In this example, letter A is a variable of type char. What is Boolean data type? A Boolean type represents a true or false value, commonly used in conditional expressions and control flow statements. In this example, boolval is a variable of type boolean and it stores the value false. Here is a code example where all primitive data types are used. What are wrapper classes and how they are related to primitive data types? Java supports the concept of wrapper classes, which are reference data types that encapsulates primitive data types. These wrapper classes include byte, short, integer, long, float, double, character, and boolean. These wrapper classes provide the utility methods and are used when an object representation of a primitive data type is needed, such as in collections like ArrayList or when working with generics. What are the different reference data types in Java? Object types. Objects in Java are instances of classes. They encapsulate data and behavior, allowing for complex data structures and modular design. Array types. Arrays are collections of elements of the same type, stored in contiguous memory locations. They provide a convenient way to store and manipulate values of a single type. What is a string in Java? Strings in Java are not primitive data types but are instead instances of string class. Strings represent sequence of characters and are widely used in Java for text manipulation and processing. Strings are immutable, meaning their values cannot be changed once they are created. Java provides a wide range of methods for manipulating strings such as concatenation, substring extraction, searching, and replacing. In this code, the example string is stored to a variable str of type string using the new keyword, and in main method, the value of str variable is printed. What is enum in Java? Enumeration, also called as enum, is a data type that provides a way to represent a fixed set of predefined values, enhancing code readability and maintainability. Enum can have fields, constructors, and methods. Enum may implement many interfaces but cannot extend any class because it internally extends enum class. Enum constants are typically used to represent categories, states, or options that are known at the compile time. In this code, season is an enum which has values winter, spring, summer, and fall. In main method, for each loop is used to traverse through the enum and print the values. That's it for the video, guys. If you enjoy the content, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more similar content. See you on the next video. Bye bye.